Here on the neck, you can see the distinctive blue hue of a prime adult emu, indicating peak health. The integration of the new sorting system, highlighted here in green, has drastically improved our efficiency across the board. We use this handheld scanner to check the internal quality of every single egg before it moves on to the automated sorting phase.
After careful selection, the cuts are prepared. This fresh emu meat is now packaged and ready for the consumer. The processing journey begins with the raw feathers, which are then transformed into versatile commercial goods like
Safety and efficiency are our top priorities here at the loading bay. We ensure every shipment is handled with care. Right, team, we need to load these emu oil pallets efficiently but carefully. Remember, pharmaceutical grade standards apply here. Welcome to the heart of our operation, the hatchery. These incubators maintain the perfect temperature, and as you
As you can see from the map, we now have global reach. This facility handles the APAC distribution.
Impressive scale.
As you can see from the tablet, the scale of this operation is immense. We manage over 50 paddocks across these hills.
The refining process ensures the highest quality golden oil, while the unique double-shafted feathers are also harvested for various uses.
Here we see the natural incubation process, swiftly followed by the automated collection of the precious eggs.
The specialised gripper secures the egg without damage, streamlining the transition from the farm directly to the high-speed processing line indoors.
We use the candler to check viability before moving them to the incubation trays.
As you can see on the display, we keep the temperature precisely at 37.8 degrees throughout the incubation cycle.
The newly hatched chick is still unsteady on its feet, having just emerged from the shell.
After we check their weight and ensure they're fully dried, they'll join the others in the main brooder house. The industrial hum persists in the background.
A modern emu facility can house hundreds of chicks, providing the warmth and nutrition they need to thrive.
Emu chicks gather at the water dispenser before moving on to forage for food amongst the dry yellow straw.
Emu chicks require careful warmth and feeding in the early weeks. They are then moved to larger grow-out sheds where cleanliness is paramount.
So we monitor the neck feathers here, making sure the color is consistent with a healthy juvenile. If you look at the chart,
The young birds thrive in the sun-drenched paddocks. But as this view reveals, the farm is a marvel of modern agricultural engineering.
Get up there. Keep moving, guys. Woohoo!
The audio features a conversation between a man and a woman, characterized by speaking, breathing, and sighing sounds. This is accompanied.
we use the scanner to ensure the welfare of the flock, tracking their progress from the paddock to the production line. These metrics highlight the success of the new feeding schedule. The blue bars represent growth, and we are exceeding targets. We need to rotate the mob in paddock 4 by tomorrow afternoon. Make a note of the fence repair needed down near the south gate.
We need to ensure the tags are scanned daily.
Okay, so prioritise the south paddock mob first thing in the morning.
Autonomous rovers are essential for managing a flock this size. As the day ends, the emus return to grazing peacefully.
The soil structure is very poor. It's mostly sand and silt, which explains the dust we're seeing. We moved the younger birds to the north paddock yesterday. They seem to be settling in well.
Here in the main facility, the birds move calmly along the automated chutes before the robotic arms begin the stunning process.
Our quality control checks are rigorous, ensuring that every product meets the highest standards before it leaves the line. Okay, batch 7 confirmed, moisture content at target levels, releasing for rendering.
As you can see, the system maintains precise control over the temperature and flow rate, ensuring the purity of the refined emu oil.
We check every steak for consistency and marbling. This ensures the highest quality product leaves the facility. As you can see, this cut of emu is incredibly lean, with a rich, dark red colour indicating its freshness and high quality.